Today we'll talk about how can you disable terminal notifications on your Olymptrade app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You come here to terminal here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's made terminal notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.